Different challenges. The first one is definitely the data. Most of the people doesn't exactly understand how far they are data rich. So our job here is also to clarify this topic. The second main challenge is the adoption. People used to work in a certain way. Change is always a challenge for any given situation. Definitely in a very conservative market, which is the maintenance market. And the third one I will say is the technology. A lot of dreams, low level of deliverables, a lot of expectation, quite a certain numbers of frustration. So we need to really keep that in mind when we start a project in the maintenance digitalization. Very good question. The first thing is that we try to simplify the daily routine of the people. Again, what I just said, data rich. SAP PM, for instance, well-known module, is super data rich, but quite complex to restore and to get access to it. So we simplify the day-to-day routine. We give access to people to very intuitive front end, where they can find their way out. Has to be really matching their expectation. So one of the biggest assets of Ready4 Asset Management is the adaptability. Each company is planned, each organization has its own process. And that's actually how we can help, and definitely through a very end-to-end digital interface. No pain, no change. It's a historical standpoint. I mean, it's not from me, it's not from SOI, it's there from the market. So no pain, no change. So we need to start from a point where we can discover and align with customer what will be the compelling event, what will make them change and improve. If we don't have, for example, a clear statement on improvement or some exec people sponsoring or supporting a change, it can be challenging to move forward. But most of the time, it comes from the fact that people are looking for, should they keep maintaining or should they replace equipment? They are driving a little bit in a blind spot. We try to help them that. And the second main, I would say, reason for change is performance. We see the maintenance impact is 60% of the total cost of a production plant. 60, it's huge. How can we improve the performance? Because we are investing, we should get something out of it. Those are the two main challenges that we see on a regular basis.